Today we're going to be answering an important question when you're shopping for your new Subaru. What is Subaru EyeSight safety system? Hi, I'm Jen. We're here at Bel Air Subaru, and today we're going to take a look. Let's get started. First, I'd like to direct your attention to the EyeSight system itself. It's located right above your rear view mirrors, and it's a dual camera system that watches the road and constantly detects potential dangers. The first of the 5 components to the EyeSight safety system is pre-collision braking. Now what this does is the vehicle will detect if there's an object or about to be a collision. It'll alert you first and then apply the brakes if necessary. The second is pre-collision throttle management. What happens in this instance is if the vehicle in front of you accelerates and then stops abruptly, your Subaru immediately detects it and reduces engine power, allowing you more time to apply the brakes. The third feature assists you in your lane. The first one is called lane departure prevention function. This one works at speeds above 38 miles an hour, and if you start to drift outside of your lane, you'll feel your steering wheel nudge you back in. Next, if you leave your lane, you'll get the warning buzzer. Now what's neat on the screen here is that you can pick and choose which one you prefer. If you prefer all functions, or maybe one of each, or off altogether. The fourth function is called adaptive cruise control. So we set our cruise control just like we normally would, except the car is going to brake and accelerate for us. So we can increase our distance between us and the vehicle in front of us by adding more bars, or we can decrease our distance if we want to be a little bit closer. The fifth function relates to this, and that is called lane centering. So not only will it keep us in pace with traffic, but will steer for us. Just keep a light hand on the steering wheel and it'll keep you centered. The Subaru EyeSight system is just the beginning of Subaru's safety features. Other examples include the driver-focused mitigation system and hill descent control. Come take a test drive with us here at Bel Air Subaru and experience the features for yourself.